9 victories by knockout, only 2 defeats. He is the reigning, defending, 2-time WBC Cruiserweight Champion of the World, Junior Elunga Makabu! Two-time world champion in a cruiserweight division, representing the World Boxing Council and proudly representing the Republic of the Congo, stepping onto the scales.
D'ici ou d'ailleurs, nous sommes des enfants d'Afrique, même si le ciel tombait.
198.5 pounds for the reigning and defending 2-time world champion, representing the World Boxing Council, Junior Elunga Makabu! Here they are face to face, an outstanding co-featured battle tomorrow night. Challenger and champion, a 2-time world champion challenging for his 3rd title. The reigning and defending 2-time WBC world champion with the prestigious green belt on the line. It's our co-feature tomorrow night.
Elunga Junior Makabu. Elunga, you said during the press conference around Badu, you go, I'm going to break his nose, I'm going to break his ribs. Essentially, I'm going to punish him. Why do you feel that way?
Thank you. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to God who gave me this opportunity to be here. I'm saying thank you to the King and the Prince of Arabia Saudi to give this invitation for me to be here. And I'm a world champion. I face the great boxer modern Badou Jack. That's why I'm 100% sure. Then I'll do what I say in press conference. I'm going to break him ribs. I'm going to knock him out. The referee is going to stop the fight. He will get punished for 12 rounds in the ring. Thank you.
My final question to you, your prediction for tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night, I just want to leave a story in Arabia Saudi. I want everyone to know who's Junior Makabu. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Elunga Junior Makabu, the reigning WBC Cruiserweight Champion of the world. And now I'll turn it back over to the greatest to ever do it, the Hall of Famer himself, Michael Buffer.
Thank you, sir. Well, ladies and